Hi there, this is Albert from PPC Ad Editor, and in this video I am going to show you how to build a preview using a CSV file that you export from Google Ads Editor. What you need is to export that CSV file first, so let me show you how to do that. Okay, so here is the Google Ads Editor platform. So what you want to do is go to the top left, Account, then do Export. And then we recommend doing export selected campaigns. For this demo, I'm just going to pick one campaign here with one ad group. Click OK. And then download that CSV file. Great, so we have that. Then you want to switch back to PPC Ad Editor. Great, oops. All you have to do is click on the Import Google Ads Editor CSV bubble. Choose File. Let's click on that demo, that file that I downloaded. Click Upload. And then again, depending on how big your CSV file is, how many ad groups, keywords it has, the number of ads, this could take a little bit longer. But here it is. Once it's done importing, it'll generate that preview. And again, at the very top, we have campaign level extensions, followed by the ad group Google, which has ad group level extensions. And again, here is our responsive search ads. This particular ad has 12 headlines and 4 descriptions. You can click on randomize variations to see different versions of the ad. You can click on each object to be able to edit the headlines and descriptions. If you continue to scroll down, this particular campaign or ad group has 2 RSA ads, and at the very bottom are the keywords. You can go to edit mode, add more keywords, or delete if you wanted to. You can add more ads by hovering over here. You can edit, duplicate, hide, or disable the ads. Or at the very top, you're able to add additional ad groups or campaigns. Once you're happy with what your preview looks like, again, click on the share icon at the very top, copy that URL, similar to a Google Docs. You can share that URL with anyone. They don't have to register for an account or anything. And then you're able to select the permissions for it. View only means read only. Editor gives them full rights to edit any object, and then commenter only allows them to leave comments. And then once you share out that URL, depending on the access level you give them, they'll see the exact same format here. By hovering over the objects, they can click on the comment button, and then they can leave a comment there. Cool, thanks for watching.